Cobb Pasta Salad is the perfect side dish or main meal to feed a crowd or a hungry family. And if you can cook pasta, you can totally make this easy recipe. I'm not sure about you, but I really try to keep our family meals simple, especially when I need to make something that needs to feed a crowd. And this recipe can easily be made ahead of time and kept in the fridge until it's ready to eat. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious recipe, but also a quick hack to give it more flavor, and that trick will work for any pasta salad you have. Let's get this started by boiling some pasta. I'm going to use elbow macaroni, but you can use your favorite pasta or whatever you have on hand. Now that the pasta is cooked, I'm going to drain it and give it a quick rinse. As much as I love a great Cobb salad, sometimes lettuce gets wilted when you bring it out to a potluck or put it out for a party. Pasta holds out so much better, and the dressing doesn't have any eggs or mayo, so you don't have to worry about a thing. Okay, so I just halved my grape tomatoes, and that's how I like them. In this large bowl, I'm going to add my pasta, the tomatoes, some bacon, and right about now, I would usually tell you to use up leftover bacon, but at my house, I've never heard of such a thing. So just cook up a couple of slices in the microwave or your skillet, and once it's crispy, give the bacon a coarse chop. I have some deli ham and deli turkey here, the kind you use to make sandwiches with. I'm going to give it a coarse chop and add those to my bowl as well. Hard-boiled eggs are a staple in my fridge. To make eggs easy to peel, it's best to peel them the same day you hard-boil them. But if your yolk looks green or need the perfect hard-boiled egg method, make sure to check out my video. I'll also link it below. The final step is to add some cheese. At this point, if you're making this salad ahead of time, just cover it in this bowl with plastic wrap or put on the lid and place it in the fridge for up to 3 days. But I did tell you that I'd give you a flavor boost, right? Okay, so usually dressing a salad ahead of time is a big no-no because it tends to get soggy, with the exception of pasta salads. I include 2 salad dressing recipes in the link right below this video. If you use the blue cheese vinaigrette, I want you to use half of it and put it in the salad now. Toss it to coat and then refrigerate it. By using half of the dressing now, I'm gonna give my pasta some flavors to soak up. And then when I'm ready to serve it, I'm gonna add the other half and toss it to coat. If you can do this too, if you're using the ranch dressing, just toss the salad with half of the dressing and then drizzle some more and serve. Doesn't this salad look gorgeous? The only thing that would make this even more awesome is adding some avocado on top. And you know what? That's an easy thing to do last. What do you think? Well, what I think is that you've got to subscribe to this YouTube channel because A, it's free, and B, we're gonna have a great time making recipes every single week. Click that red subscribe button right below this video and let's get the party started.